So let me show you how to use one-handed mode on your Pixel 10, especially the bigger Pixel 10 Pro XL. So sometimes you might want to use it with one hand, but your fingers don't exactly reach the top parts, right? So what you need to do is enable one-handed mode. So you can go into settings, and on the main settings page, scroll down to system, tap on that, and then under system, tap on gestures, and then under gestures you will see one-handed mode, and you can tap on that and turn that on. Now once you turn it on, you can choose how you want it to be enabled. So all you have to do from now on is to just swipe down, and then the screen becomes smaller and everything is now reachable, and it's going to tell you when you're in one-handed mode. And then to exit, just tap on an empty space. Now alternatively, if you could go back to that settings page, you have the option to set a shortcut. So if you enable that, you can see this icon appears right here, and also you can customize that button. So for instance, you could change the size, make it larger, or make it fade when it's not in use. And also you can adjust the transparency. So that's maximum transparency, and then minimum transparency, and then that's almost maximum transparency, but then you want to be able to see it, so you can leave it just about there. Okay, now I wish we had the option to move it to the left hand side for left-handed people, but that's what we have for now. So there's always going to be that little thing. So anytime you want to use your phone with one hand, you can tap on that, and then everything becomes reachable. So you can open apps, you can do anything you want in one-handed mode. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.